other equation. It's like I got reconnected. Okay, good. And now you have well, now you have 0 cos 3x plus 2 sine 3x. So now you have negative 8a minus 3b equals 0, and now you have 3a minus 8 equals 2. Okay, that's good. And now you just have to solve it. So let's solve it. And what we're gonna have to do is I'm going to try to get rid of a. So now we got negative 24 minus 9 a and b. Now we have equals 0, and we gotta multiply this one by 8. So now we have 24a minus since I multiply this by 8, so it's minus 64. Minus 64b equals, and 2 times 8 is 16. Now you add them together and you get negative, what is this? 4, so 73. Negative 73 b equals 16 over 73 negative b equals 16 over 73 negative, and then you plug it in and it looks like I got it right. So you do the b and then you do the other thing. Okay. Oh, guys. Sorry, I didn't even show you guys. Oh, my brake's still active. Well, sit for a while then. Like, if it's not too much trouble. I don't know if the problem is my Wi-Fi is like crashing because I'm streaming. Because before, I wasn't streaming and my stuff would just start crashing. Okay, forming YP by superposition. Solve y double prime minus 2y minus 3y. Okay, so this is like a different thing. By superposition. First, find the solution. Associated homogeneous equation y double prime minus 2y prime minus 3y equals 0 is found to be yc c1 c1 to the power of negative x plus c2 to the power of 3x. Step 2. X the presence of 4x minus 5 in gx suggests that the particular solution includes a linear polynomial. Furthermore, since the derivative of the product x e 2x produces 2x e 2x and e 2x, we also assume that the particular solution includes both x e to the power of 2x and 2x. In other words, g is the sum of two basic kinds of functions. Gx is O. Okay, that's okay. Gx 1x plus g2x polynomial exponential. The presence of 4x minus 5. Oh, I see what they're talking. Reduces to ex. Also assume I sleep so bad. Okay, I just have to work through this one. It's gonna be an hour, and then I have to work 2 more. Okay, yeah, I'll probably be okay. Most likely, things are up for. Things are gonna be good for Silly Guy 9. Let's try my hardest. Probably get better for sure. What is the superposition principle? Seek a solution. Where yp1 equals ax plus b, and yp2 equals cx e power of 2x plus e power of 2x. Okay. break, I feel like I don't get it. Sync. Substituting to the given equation and like terms gives I double prime p identity. We obtain the four equations. This looks really down. Polynomial plus the exponent. Oh, C, A, B, C. But what happened to D? Where is D? Put A and B and C, but no D. That's because the D is for other. Freaking Adam. Is this one E? Okay. Think for a second. Them like terms, you get all that stuff. You obtain the four equations. How are you obtaining anything? Solving, we find E, find A is negative, B equals 23 over C equals negative 2, and E equals negative 4. Consequently, YP equals this blah blah blah. General solution to the YC1 equals E power negative X. In light of the superposition principle, we can also approach example 3 from solving to simpler. Verify that substituting this yields in turn that. Oh, okay. Exactly what I wanted to know. Now a glitch in the method. There's a glitch. Son of a glitch. When you said that, I knew that. I knew they were trying to sneak. All joke. Clever. Okay, while I'm at it, I might as well call my app. I want deleting Dokkan Battle. I have all these crappy games that I've been trying to hold on to because like my childhood. Crap. But he gives a flying fart. Deleting Subway Surfer. Train. I paid 99 cents for some of these games. Yeah, fishing. Battle. Kept you. Now I might as well look for apps. Dr. Ratio. Just deleted all my games except the cooked and my life is Play Hearthstone. Okay. Okay. It's my time. Light of the superposition principle. Get these equations. Why? I have no idea. Why did he do the 6x e of x 2 times? Okay. They put the two functions together and then they didn't put it as d because I don't know, they like that letter. Okay, now they say find a particular solution of this, and then they know that the differentiation of e produces no new functions. Thus, proceeding as we did in the early examples, we can reasonably assume a particular solution in the form yp equals a e of x, but no substitution yields the contradictory statement 0 equals 8ex, so we've clearly made the wrong guess. The difficulty here is apparent upon examining the complementary function yc equals c1 e of x and c2 e to power 4. Observe that the observation, or look that a e of x is already present in yc. That means that e of x is a solution of the associated homogeneous differential equation and a constant multiple. Like, you'd think they would have fixed this problem, but like, no, they just leave it in, like, to make a trick question. Or I guess it's because there's no way to solve the problem. Like, that's why they literally have to talk about it. Otherwise, they would have solved it, right? So now they sub in the form yp equals ax of e. Substituting that, they get a equals negative 8 over 3. The difference in the procedure used in examples 1 to 3 and examples 4 suggests that we consider two cases. The first case reflects the situation in examples 1 to 3. Case 1, no function in the assumed particular solution is a solution of the associated homogeneous differential equation. Wow, what am I reading, man? I might do 1 hour. No, that's not true. I'm not gonna do. Obviously, I'm gonna do 2 hours. And then I and then I'm going to be rewarded for my efforts. Okay, the trial particular solutions. You get 5x plus 7, you do this one. You get 5x squared, you do this one. This, e of x, ae 5x. That's the form of the particular solution, a 5x. Wow, I think this is gonna be really bad. Example 5, determine the particular solution a and b. Okay, you know what, instead of just like staring at the thing, let's try to solve the problem. But like, I don't know. e to the power of negative x, power of negative. Sorry, I started hitting my knee on the table. I was gonna see what happened if the cameras, if I would see it on the thing. God, I really want to play on my phone. I really want to play video games on my phone and watch YouTube until I pass out. Okay. So let's first, they want us to probably solve the equation, right? So it's 5 and 5. Or they got 5x cubed at negative x minus 7x. So here they got the equation like this, and the particular solution of, it's like got like a3x ax cubed plus x squared plus cx plus d. Is that really right? Plus e. I don't know why they don't put d. Plus e. No, if they don't put d, fine. Plus e. Then they do e at negative x, and then they do probably minus 7e of x, so it's basically like minus a e at negative x, or like a b c d f. This is f at negative x, which is like really stupid. Now you have a, yeah, I give up. C of x plus, this is terrible, this is awful, I hate math, I hate math, I hate math, I hate math. Did I at least plug in the right formula? I did. No, I didn't. I didn't do anything right. Entry 9. There is no duplication of any of the terms. Yeah. Oh, I did get it right, but I didn't do the other thing for some reason. There's no duplication of terms. What happened to 7e negative x? Oh, probably because they already included it when they multiplied it in or something. God, this is hard. Anyway, I don't know. Keep thinking that I should be talking, but is complaining better than being quiet? Probably not, right? So let me just be quiet and think for quietly. I keep thinking as a streamer, I just have to keep running my mouth. Okay, it's okay to just relax. Wait, but in another hour, it's gonna be like. Alright, maybe I should go to bed. I'm kind of fried already. If I go to bed in an hour, it's gonna be 9:30. Okay, so it's not gonna be 10. Damn. Is it better? I'm not figuring this crap out. Ah, man. Go to bed. If I go to bed, then I'm not gonna do anything productive. Ah. I keep thinking like, oh, I just have to make up another hour tomorrow. If I streamed every day, it would be 7 times 2, 14, right? Yeah. If I streamed every single day, it wouldn't be enough time. Particular solution. Determine the form of a particular solution. The right hand side of the equation g of x equals 3x squared minus 5 sine 2x. 3 different types of fractions, functions. Derivatives of these functions yield in turn the cooked. Fuck. Was. What's the best thing that I should do now? Or what's the best thing that I can do now? None of the 7 terms in this assumption for y duplicates a term. Oh, god damn it. Are you serious? Zoom on back in. Click the wrong button. They got like 7 examples. Like, haven't you had enough? Like, that's enough. Got 8, they got 9 examples, they got 10 examples. They got 11 freaking examples. Now we get to variation of parameter. Okay. Forget about this. I lose. I wanted it to be 1 hour. But get it. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Bye bye.